Hi everyone, Melissa here. I want to start by saying thank you to everybody who came to my birthday live last week. We had such a great time, and my birthday was fantastic. I had an amazing weekend, and my family spoiled me far too much, but I appreciate it, and it really made it special. But here I am now on the other side, and I'm ready to get into some other designs. The one I'm going to be doing today is pretty simple, nice, kind of clean, but it's going to be pretty much like a kind of classic baby boomer, but with like shimmer. So the nude shimmer I'm going to be using is called Summertime Rosé. It's gorgeous. It has this like gold shimmer in it. I know you can't see it very well here, but you'll see it when it goes on. And then I'm just going to be using French white from Double Dip for the tips. So this is a solid and shimmer ombre. And one tip I have for solid and shimmer ombre is if you're going to ombre a solid and shimmer together, is to always lay the shimmer down last, because the solid over the top of the shimmer doesn't give a great look, but you want that shimmer to just kind of float over that solid, and it looks beautiful. We are going to be doing the tap method for this one. I do have another regular baby boomer ombre method that is kind of like a layered and really smooth solid to solid look, but for this one I think the tap method will work better. So I'm going to go ahead and start by just putting 2 layers of French white down on all the nails. I'm going to get that French white just as the base, because this is going to cover very well. I don't need to do like the back and forth tap, like switching between colors. I think this is going to work great. So I'm going to go ahead and do a couple layers of French white to start, and then get into the rest of the design. Oh, I did want to make sure to mention that this design was first done by my good friend Jennifer Sawyers, aka Jen Does Nails TX on Instagram. She did it a few days ago, and we decided, meaning I and my friend Fantasia Rosa, who's Tasia Nailed It on Instagram, decided that we wanted to do it too because it was beautiful. So it's turned into kind of another mini triplet thing with the 3 of us, and I'm excited for it. Alright, so that was easy enough. I didn't even go all the way to the cuticle with the second layer of French white that I was doing. I just wanted to make sure that I had coverage here at the end, because that's the only place you're going to see that white. The rest is going to be covered with this. So for this one, I'm just going to be using my nice big eyeshadow brush and make sure that there's no, I've already made sure there was no pigment on there. You know, it looks a little bit stained, but there's no extra pigment on it. And I'm just going to start by making sure that there's a nice layer on here of the base. I'm going to get a good amount of that powder on the eyeshadow brush and just kind of tap it and point the nail downwards a bit. And just start tapping that color on there. Moving down the nail as I go a little. The further down I go, the lighter I'm going to tap, just because I want less of that powder to come down. In the spots where you want less of the coverage of the color, just gently, just barely tap. I'm actually straightening my nail out, just giving gentle taps right over that area where that blend would be. And I'm wanting to make sure that when I tap it off that I'm not tapping it off downwards, because if I do, then I'm gonna get powder in that area where I was very careful to not get any. So if I'm tapping off, either tap off sideways or tap off with your the tip pointed upwards. Same with when you brush off. I'm gonna brush off gently. You could also get clear and pour clear at the tip there to fill in the rest of that tip liquid that's left that didn't get any powder on it. Okay, and I'm going to do another layer of the rosé, and I'm going to finish the ombre just a little bit lower down. And I don't need to be as precise with this ombre. I just want to build this area a little bit more, build it color-wise, and also build it with more thickness. Yeah. Alright, I dusted the rest off and this nail is good. I'm gonna do the same thing with the rest of the nails, and then I'll probably do just one dip of clear over all of them. Alright, so I went ahead, I finished all those nails. I got a layer of clear on all of them, and now I'm going to activate them. Then once they're dry, we'll start filing. Now, while I was filing this, I kind of had a thought of something I wanted to try and see how it looks. I'm going to try it on a thumbnail, but this color also chromes, and I was thinking, well, I wonder if it's sheer enough when it chromes that you can still see the ombre underneath. Hey, and what better way to know than to try? So I'm going to be using my Double Dipped Ultra Shine top coat. If you get this top coat, it's an exceptional top coat. I love it. By the way, Melissa's Mayonnaise 15 will get you 18% off Double Dipped products. But if you want to use this for chroming, it cures much quicker than most no-wipe top coats that I've used. So while I would usually do a 30-second cure for a gel top to chrome, this one I can't do more than like 10-15. So it's pretty nice. It's a good time saver when it comes to that. But just a heads up for if you have or intend to get this top coat. Okay, so I'm just gonna give that a little flash cure, like 10 seconds. So chroming on, I'm just kind of putting my entire nail in here to get it to cover the whole thing. And then I'm just gonna rub that in. Gonna put top coat on there because that chrome will pop more once that top coat's on, and then just see how I like it compared to just the shimmer by itself. I love the shimmer in this, and I don't really want to not see it anymore. All right. Yeah, it's pretty, and I like that I can still see the ombre through it, but I'm thinking I might just like it with the shimmer by itself more. Just my personal preference on it. Yeah, I think I like it with the shimmer standing out more, so I'm gonna just leave it how it is. Just finish these top coats and give it a full cure. All right, and there we go. Just a nice, quick and easy, elegant little ombre design there. And I do like it with the chrome over it. And I just think I like seeing that shimmer in there a little bit more. If you haven't seen this shimmer in person, or like where it really stands out, it's hard to understand, but it's just so gorgeous. Yeah, these would be really pretty, like, I don't know, wedding nails. Imagine adding a whole bunch of bling on these. So gorgeous. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me for this quick little mani. I think it's so pretty, and I will see you next time.